In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Airtable Interfaces. If you're looking to give teammates a clean, focused way to work with your Airtable data, the list view in Interfaces is a great place to start. First, open the Airtable base where you want to build the interface. Make sure this is the base that contains the table you plan to showcase, because the interface will pull its records directly from there. At the top of your Airtable screen, click Interfaces. This opens the Interface Designer, which is where you'll create a polished front end for your data without changing the underlying base. On the left sidebar, click New Interface. This starts a fresh interface project so you can design a dedicated view for your audience. Give your interface a clear, descriptive name that helps others understand its purpose at a glance. You can also pick an icon to make it easy to spot later. When you're happy with those details, click Next to move forward. Now, connect the interface to the specific table you want the list to use. This might be something like tasks, team members, or projects, whatever contains the records your audience needs to browse. Choosing the right table ensures the list pulls in exactly the data you intend to display. Click Finish. Airtable will automatically create the interface for you, setting up a list layout tied to the table you selected. This gives you a ready-to-use starting point without any heavy configuration. Your list view is now ready. You can scroll to browse records quickly and open an item to review more details if needed. Use the search bar to find items by keyword, which is especially helpful in larger datasets. For more precise control, apply filters to narrow the list to just what matters, like showing only open tasks, active team members, or projects with a specific status. Sorting lets you bring order to the list. For example, sort by due date to see what's coming up next, or by priority so the most important items float to the top. Combine search, filter, and sort to create a focused working view that's easy to revisit. When everything looks good and you're ready to share, click Publish to make the interface live. Publishing provides a stable, shareable experience so others can use the list view with the controls you've set. You can republish anytime as you refine the layout. That's it for setting up and using the list view in Airtable Interfaces. Thanks for watching.